More breaking news coming in. The retail sales in India in November have grown by 9% over the pre-pandemic levels of the same month in November 2019, signaling an improvement in business. Albeit there are worries around Omicron variant spread and the third wave of the pandemic. And according to the industry body, however, this is looking like a promising figure where we have seen a 9% increase in the retail sector, retail sales in the country. Avni Raja, my colleague, joins me from the news pit here in Mumbai. And Avni, take it away. We are seeing a rise number. If we have to actually dissect it, we do see that the retail sector has seen a boost, and this is primarily because after the lockdown was lifted, more and more people who were actually done with staying at homes, they decided to go out and shop, if I actually put it in layman's language there.
Yes, absolutely, Griha. That, in fact, is the situation at this point in time because we have seen consumer confidence returning slowly, especially since the festive season a couple of months ago. And that is what seems to be translating here. So it's been a 9% increase in retail sales in November as compared to the pre-COVID levels in November 2019. But on a sequential basis, that is versus October, if we compare, October 2021, in fact, it is come down slightly. But the other aspect here is that the Retail Association has flagged up concerns with regard to the Omicron variant and how perhaps that might translate into business sentiment once again being hit. So that is a cautionary word coming in from there. But overall, the recovery in the retail segment was led by consumer durables, electronics, and other such segments which led to this increase in retail sales. Priya, back to you.